salmon cooked from frozen in my Sunbeam multi-zone. The ultimate dilemma-free dinner. Let me show you how. Let's make the sauce. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Teaspoon smoked paprika. Little shake of garlic powder. Little shake onion flakes. Pinch of salt. Pinch of pepper. Mixy. Brush it all over your salmon. Air fry time. One, 2, 3, 4. Beans. Little bit of olive oil. Pepper. Shakey. 200 degrees, 15 minutes. Flip it halfway. It's telling me to flip. It's looking good. It's ready. Perfect beans. Crispy skin salmon. Love that air fry yay feeling. That is really good.